What's going on, YouTube family? It's your boy OKQ, man. Today we got our new mats from X1MATS. Finally, man, we unboxing them. Let's say they sent them in extra plastic so they don't get wet. I appreciate that. Now we can go ahead and get to the actual mats. If you're gonna use a blade, I would be careful because, of course, you don't want to cut your new mats. Ooh, look at the orange. Ooh. Mind you, I don't know what they look like. This is my first time seeing them. They didn't send me any. Ooh, okay. These are my back seats for sure. Back seat insert. Put that right there. Oh, for the trunk. Let's go. Trunk mat, baby. Let's go. I needed that. Yes. My boy taking the cut. Okay, more back seat. That now. There you go. Now we get to the front. Ooh, X6 Renegade, yes sir. Yes sir, Steve. And they got these little pins. Y'all see that? So I can comfortably slide them up. Not that little BS. Let's go ahead and go upstairs. So let's see the two mats. Oh god. Well, these are more of look at this. Good quality here. Oh yeah, super thick. Super thick. Look at the line there. Look at this. Look at the comparison. Look at Look how vivid this orange is. Come on now. And of course we got our logo stitched in there. This, I don't even know what this is. This is nothing. Like, yeah, these are getting burnt and thrown in the trash tonight. Let's go on in the car. Oh, and they sent me a trunk mat for the, oh, with the custom. Okay, yes sir, X1MATS. We are sponsored. Oh yeah. Let's see what they look like in the car. Alright guys, quick update. When you're installing these mats, you know, you definitely want to, it comes with a cert that you want to get down in there and kind of clip it up. And you want to find the pieces, like I was trying to tuck it under here, but I had to tuck it under here. If you have this car, you will understand, for anybody who's get these mats and are trying to do the same thing. So yeah, it literally is going to tuck in there all flush, and same with the front. You know, it doesn't tuck up. I'll show y'all in a second. Hold on. Okay, so it's kind of the same situation. We're gonna tuck under here, tuck under here. We're gonna tuck under there. You don't tuck with the last match. You tuck under here. With these mats, you tuck under there. So yeah, and I got a little wrinkle in it, but I'm sure it'll come out. It's not much. But yeah, fitment's actually pretty good. It doesn't cover the whole top, but definitely covers a good amount. Looks good as hell when you open the car. Watch this video, and I'm about to get ready to do the driver's side. All right, y'all, they're in. Mats are fully in, and yeah, they look show ready. Yes, sir. Sorry, my light's not that best, but see, custom seat belts, custom seats, custom mats. Let's get it, baby. Okay, cute.